Hi, welcome back to the channel. This is CMG Aura Space News and Drops section of the channel. This is a long time coming video that most of the subscribers are actually asking for. I didn't want to do it initially for myself. I didn't want to do it because the check-ins were too much, as in the factors and the number of things that it is needed to do this transaction is a lot. So in fact, in this video we are going to look at how we can withdraw our boost token to and then maybe boost token and then spend them. So per my check-ins, I realized that boost is only listed on this exchange called what is the name? Big X, right? Let me go to the my page, my phone, and then see Big X, right? Where is it actually? Yeah, that's the second item moving horizontally, right? The second item. So Big X, that's the app or the wallet. Actually, that is only has the boost listed, right? So you can't withdraw to any other wallet except this. And if you check on this my interface, the wallets are becoming too many because of this airdrop that we are mining. So I was actually waiting maybe for it to be listed on other wallets or exchange, but that is not what is happening. And then people are asking for this. So doing this, we actually, in fact, let me go to the smart wallet and then check this out for you. I think doing the demonstration with the token will help you better. So here, if you want to withdraw, it means that we are going to withdraw this asset from the smart wallet to the biggest wallet. That is where we can actually swap it for any other asset that we want and then spend it there, right? That's what it means. And then I realized that for any newly listed token, normally there's a massive dip, right? So when I saw this, I thought it was maybe a glitch in their system or so, but I realized it's actually a dip. So sorry about that. I initially had $26. Now look at this. I have 6.97. That's very pathetic. So this is what we are going to do. Let's assume I'm going to send this token to, or crypto, crypto to the biggest wallet. Let's see. Let's move. So move to the boost section of your asset. Let's try this. And then let's try sending, right? Let's try sending. And then when you send, I'm assuming I have an address that I want to paste here. Don't worry, even though it's wrong, for demonstration purpose. And let's see this. So now look at something here. There's something we call freezing fee. In other platforms, in Ethereum, we call it transaction fee. But basically, we call it any transaction fee. I think gas fee. Yeah, let me put it, gas fee. So that is what the charge that you incur in sending this token to another exchange or another wallet or another address. So that's what it means. So if you look at this, the required asset is called Ultima. So you realize that the process is quite long. So please bear with me. If this video is lengthy, please relax. I wanted to do them separate, but I know doing them separate, you might get confused. So please relax and do this. So we will need Ultima of 0.0004051. So that is what is required in order to engage in this transaction. Now, yours may differ based on how much you are going to engage in sending this. So assuming if I had the $26 or so, that means I would need more of the Ultima to do the transaction. So this transaction only needs the Ultima, not any other assets. So that's the partnership. You understand? When you say partnership, that's what is happening here. It's a promotion for the Ultima and another. You understand what is going on here? So in order for me to get the Ultima, in fact, I don't have Ultima, right? It's not a normal asset that or people really engage in, but actually it's a profitable thing. It's on the high side. It's actually in the bull run. Is performing for this Ultima. So I don't have this Ultima. In your case, I know for sure most of us will not have the Ultima. If you have the Ultima asset, then you are good to go. It's just a matter of what, sending it here into this smart wallet, and then you use it as your gas fee or transaction fee, and then you are done. Else, you have to follow the step that I want to do. Now, this is the step that I wanted to do in a separate video, but don't worry, let's have everything here. So now that you understand what is happening, how do I get this Ultima asset around 0.405? How do I get this? So this is what you do. Once again, checking the Ultima asset. The Ultima is only listed on the MEX exchange, the MEXC exchange, and then the gate.io. These are the only wallets or exchanges that have this Ultima listed on them, right? Maybe a time to time, or even at the time of you watching this video, you may find it on other exchanges. If that's so, no problem. But at the time I'm recording this, these are the only platforms that have the Ultima listed there. Now, so you have to buy the Ultima and then do a transaction. Now, once again, Ultima, you may not have it direct, but once again, the normal way of getting other assets, you can start from USDT. If you have the USDT, then you can convert or swap it to the Ultima. Then you are good to go. Right. So sorry. What it means that, yes, the Ultima is only listed on the MEX exchange and gate.io, right? So that is what it means. So now let's move to the MEX, right? Let me go and do the transaction there. So when I move to the MEX, now you understand what is happening. Now the MEX has this, I have this 6 point something USDT. So what do? I have to swap some to get the Ultima and then send this Ultima once again to the smart wallet. So you are following. Now, how do I do this? If you have watched the video on what we have presented so far, you can do the similar way, like the way you move this the USDT to the smart token. So that is the same thing, but this time it's to the Ultima. So how do I do this? You come to the trade section of that, and then let me move to okay, trade again. Sorry, trade, and then we have different tabs here, right? So I'm just going to move to let me go back so that we start from there. This, and then come to the trade. You see the Ultima there. So Ultima stroke USDT. The same way, you can come here and type whatever asset that you want. So if you are not seeing this automatically, what do? Just type it out, Ultima. And sorry, what's happening? So you see Ultima stroke the USDT. Then you hit that. So it will be populated here. What do? I want to buy, because our intention is to buy or get Ultima. And because we have the USDT, so that's what it means. Ultima stroke USDT. We are buying. So in the other case, we are selling. That's the same way. But this time we are buying. So let's see how much of this thing do I want. So I have 6 USDT. I can even buy, or let me try if it will allow me. Let me see. If it doesn't allow me, meaning trying the 6, you know what is happening, the charges and all that, or fees, whatever. So that's the way. I'm not going to explain any technical term here. Yeah, my concern is to get the USDT. So in the same way, buy this, right? So perfectly done. Let's move to the wallet and see that you see the Ultima there, right? So you see what is happening. So now the charge that we realized I needed was 0.40 and 6 and 5 to get that transaction done. But this is enough. So it means that with 6 USDT, you can continue with the transaction. So now that I have the Ultima, now I'm going to transfer this Ultima to the smart wallet. I hope you understand. So now, once again, be relaxed and be watching the video. You can pause it here and there and be watching. So now I have the Ultima. What do? I want to move this Ultima because the Ultima is what is needed for as the transaction fee. So once again, I move to what? The smart wallet. I do this. Right. So what is the Ultima? Go through this. You see the Ultima. This is Ultima. Right. So I want to receive Ultima to this wallet. So what do? Receive. I click at the top there to copy. You see the address there. Click just beside it. It looks like wallet icon. So we have the address copied. Now move back to what? The MEX exchange again. At the MEX exchange, sorry, I click that. Right. So I am going to withdraw. Let's hope I can do this. So on chain, I paste this. Paste. Now the network is selected automatically, no problem. So now you see withdraw quantity. Let's try all or max. Right. Let's see. Available minimum. What? Interesting. This is not enough to do this. So I can't I can't pause this video. I'm going to continue anyway. So in your case, that means you need more of that. This is what it is needed. 0.001 Ultima. That's very expensive. I don't know. So I don't know if you understand this. If this is, let's assume this is received into the, what is the name? No, I think I'll have to pause here and then find a way to top up and then come back to continue with this video. So stay tuned. Right. Bye.